Welcome back to my channel, Honey's MY Stories. If you're new here, my name is Honey. I'm a Filipina expat here in Malaysia, and together with my boyfriend, I've been uploading videos about my expat life and few travels from here and there. For today's video, I'm going to share with you our trip to Lata Tengkoh Penyel in Sungai Sipot, Perak. This is just something that we saw online, so we plan to go out because it's actually my rest day and we wanted to spend the day on an outing. I was actually on duty last night, and immediately after I log off my computer, we'll head out, and we are on our way to Perak right now. So according to Waze, it's actually 267 kilometers from here. It will be estimated 3.5 hours of drive. That's just an update. We've been driving for 3.5 hours already, but we're not there yet. And according to Waze, we're still 32 kilometers away. Although we're already in Perak State, it's just that it's quite far. So I hope that we'll be arriving soon. So guys, after what's supposed to be 3.5 hours of drive, it actually took us 4.5 hours, but that's including the few stops that we had, and we're already here in the parking area. We're ready to hike to the waterfalls area, so I'm quite excited. Go, baby! Kaya mo yan! So kapoy. So guys, we finally arrived in the waterfalls. There's actually bamboo huts here. The walk from where we parked our car coming here is actually around 15 minutes only. Since we don't have food yet, we're going to cook now. We have eggs. We also have cup noodles. If you wonder if there is a toilet here, there is actually, and I'm going there right now. So here's the toilet. So it's concrete and it looks new and it seems clean, so let's check it out. Also walking there, and here's the toilet. It looks clean and well maintained. Good. So guys, there's water, and also it doesn't have any foul smell, so it's great. Oh, our food is cooked already. Here's the grilled chicken and grilled fish. We have rice. This is our cup noodles, and we have here like sauteed dried fish that we had for a couple of days already, so we brought it here. Is it worth the travel? Worth the hassle? so.
Kita ka, banta ka.
Yeah. As you can see from this perspective, that's the top of it. But if you are going to fly a drone, there's actually another tier. So guys, it's already 3:15 p.m. We decided we will be going home around 5 p.m. So right now we're just enjoying this place. The other visitors that were here earlier already went home. So there's only George and I left in this place. Quick dip in the waterfalls, and it's so nice. The water is so cold. We weren't able to capture the whole beauty of this place, but you can see it for yourself. At this moment, we already own the place because there's no one else aside from George and I. And yeah, it's very solemn. There's no cellular signal here or cellular network, so it's really like you're with the nature. If you will be here, I really recommend this place. So guys, we changed clothes already, but we're not leaving yet. George wanted to drink some coffee before we go back to KL, so we're boiling some water. Going back to our car, and eventually we will be going back to KL already. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this one as much as we did, and if you enjoyed the video, of course, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, click on the notification bell so that you will be updated for my future uploads. Once again guys, my name is Hani and
my name is George.
See you guys on our next waterfall adventure. Bye bye for now. Buyers, thank you for watching. 4:36. Yeah, we'll arrive in KL around maybe 9 or earlier. I hope it's earlier, but yeah.